AI finally made it into the kitchen in a way that actually works this year. Not gimmicks, and not apps that connect to nothing. These are the 5 that are worth your money. At number 5, we have the Ninja 12-in-1 Smart Double Oven. Somewhere between $400 and $500, depending on where you buy it, the 2 cook zones work at the same time, independently. Top does the baking, broiling, reheating, and toasting. Bottom runs as an air fryer, convection oven, pizza oven, roaster, or dehydrator. That's 12 models in total, all in the counter space a microwave would take up. The Foodie Smart Probe tracks internal meat temperatures. The app has guided cook profiles, and the touchscreen doesn't take 10 minutes to figure out. It can fit a 12-pound turkey or large pizzas at once. The smart features aren't as deep as the Anova or Brava. That's fine. Those products cost more and do less at the counter level. If you want to clear out the toaster, the air fryer, and the microwave, and swap all 3 for one box, then this is the one. At number 4, we have the Samsung Bespoke AI Flex Refrigerator. The big CES 2026 reveal from Samsung. AI vision inside cameras sit inside the fridge and identify food as you load it and take it out. Connect live ties to your grocery receipts, and it keeps the inventory current without you touching anything. So when you open it at 6 PM with no plan, the AI looks at what's actually in there and throws out recipe options based on that. The Family Hub's touchscreen on the doors covers calendars, voice notes, music, and your security cameras. Panels on the outside swap out, so the same fridge comes in black, beige, navy, or pink. You can pick when you order. Starts at around $3,500, runs to about $5,000 at the top end. This is a kitchen renovation purchase, but for cutting down food waste and actually using random fridge contents before they go bad, nothing else in this category does what this one does. At number 3, we have the Thermomix TM7. 20 plus functions in one machine. It chops, blends, salts, steams, ferments, kneads, and weighs, all in one bowl. The 10-inch touchscreen connects to Cookie Dough, Thermomix recipe library with over 100,000 options. Pick a recipe and it takes over from there, adjusting temperature, speed, and timing on its own while you do something else. The scale is built into the base, so you drop ingredients straight into the bowl and it measures as you go. No measuring cups sitting out, no extra bowls to clean up later, just the one machine. At around $1,600, it's a lot to look at one receipt. But add up the blender, food processor, scale, steamer, and slow cooker it replaces, and the numbers start making sense. It doesn't air fry, that's the gap, and it's the real one. Outside of that, nothing at the countertop level in 2026 does more. At number 2, we have the Brisket Origin 940. Pellet grill with an AI assistant built in. You type what you want to cook. Smoked brisket, honey garlic salmon, whatever it is, the Vera generates the full recipe, sets the temperature, watches the cook, and texts your phone when the meat is done. You don't babysit it. Real wood pellets, 940 square inches of cooking surface, a meat probe, and a Wi-Fi connectivity so you can watch everything from outside the house. In a Fortune brisket cook-off, it plays second against experienced pitmasters running traditional grills. First generation AI product, second place against people who've been doing this for decades, and it's priced for around $1,500. Experienced pitmasters will find the default settings bland and you'll want to customize it. But everyone else who wants to pro level barbecue without years of practice, this is the smartest grill you can buy. At number 1, we have the Anova Precision Oven 2.0. The original Anova was already the best combi steam oven you could buy. The 2026 second generation adds an internal camera that shoots a photo the moment you close the door. The AI reads what's in there and automatically recommends the best cook mode, time, and temperature. You still get steam plus convection, multi-stage programs that go from the sous vide straight through to the broiling, faster steam ramp up than the first generation, and a cleaner app. Real-world results rival restaurants' kitchens in testing. The multi-stage mode lets you sous vide a steak overnight, then sear it the next morning, with zero manual input between steps. $599 for what it actually does is cheap. For cooking versatility and image-based AI that removes most of the guesswork, this is the best new smart cooking product of 2026. So which one of these do you think is worth the buy? Drop it in the comments below, hit the like and subscribe for more no-fluff tech reviews. All the products reviewed today can be found in the description below.